Here's something that every painter needs to have. My drawing, sketching and painting notebook. Let it become your companion. I've published this book before, and many of my students have it and realise how incredibly supportive it is. It keeps you company when you're painting and you get lost. So this is the new version that I've just published, so it's a fairly good size. And what you do with it is you keep it with your painting things, so you can make notes. Now, there's a handy content list, so you can see where you are. And then you've got an overview of your basic kit, what you really need to have there, and keep it all together so you know where it is. There's plenty of notes there to support you, and then there are loads of blank pages. Now, you probably think, well, what am I going to do with that? It's a good quality paper. It's enough strength to take little dots of paint, but you can't watercolour paint on it. But what you are going to do is to keep notes. So for example, you've just mixed a dodgy colour. It was very difficult to get what you wanted. And what you do is you write the date, the painting you were working on, and how you did it. So next time you've got a note. There are also little grids for you to use. That's where you can do your little sketches, your little thumbnails as I call them. What else have we got? Some more there, selections of boxes, more blank pages, and some more boxes there where you can try things out. So it's a useful book, though I say it myself. Landscape composition practice page. Okay, how often have you done a landscape and you think, oh, I should have put that there and not there? Well, if you do a little plan first, you're solving your problems before you get there. This is what it's all about. I'm sorry, but my dad used to say, measure twice and cut once, and it's very true. It's the same with your painting. Another storyboard design for you to play with. Okay, and then we get to, oops, let's have a look. Here are some glossary of terms, just to give you a reminder. And what do I use? Brushes, there's codes for discounts, all sorts of things. So I have created this little book for the many students who are engaged with my highly acclaimed watercolour painting tuition, either via the internet or in person. It contains some notes, resources, tips, helpful grids, and of course blank pages for you to make your observations about this exciting medium. So many people don't stop and think and remind themselves of what they've done and make notes. So there you are, my friends. It's available on Amazon in all the different countries. It's about $10 or $12 or whatever your currency is, and it's well worth the investment. By the way, that is taken from one of my grape paintings. Okay, keep safe and keep painting, please. Lots of love.